Today is day 2. Christian, fill us in. What are we going to be doing today?
Today we're dropping in the joists up above us, watch your head, and we're going to anchor the sill plates to the walls. So the engineer spec'd us to do that with 304 stainless threaded rod down into the masonry. So we're going to pilot hole for those. We're going to lift this whole thing up slightly, take the blocks out, drop it down, and then run those anchors in. And then the engineer also asked us to put the angle iron up in the overhang so that you guys can have a little bit extra support with the fancy Minium right on there.
This is the Ottosson iron oxide Minium, natural rust inhibitor, excellent on metal surfaces. So we did pre-apply for those angles ahead of time.
Cool.
So they're ready for install.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Nobody's going to see them, but we'll know that they're there, right?
Oh yeah, definitely, definitely.
Christian and his team are done for the day, and as you can see, our angle irons have been installed. And I just want to point out a few other details that are kind of interesting and important at this point in the project. Our angle irons were required by the engineer, and the design is meant to offset any natural torque that happens with the timbers over time. Our air gap here between our modern concrete bond beam that runs along the periphery of our kitchen walls here and the traditional timber is created by using adjustable bolts. The bolts, you will notice in the video, were installed using a modern epoxy product. If you follow the Earth+Flax studio, you know that's not my favorite, but in this case it's common practice and required, and at least it is an interaction with the modern concrete cap that is running along the perimeter of these brick walls. So it's modern with modern product, like with like, and we'll use our hydraulic lime mortar for any repairs on the old brick walls. Christian and his team were able to use that system to make sure that our timber frame was level, and this gap from the interior side will probably get filled with rock wool comfort board insulation, and then it will be protected from the exterior side by some beautiful custom copper flashing that Rocco's working on currently. Can't wait to show you the rest of the timber frame installation. Stay tuned.